I'm sorry, sorry, sorry that our class had to be cut short temporarily because of the technical issue, but we are back. We're back. So, um, let's just go straight to our analysis for. So we said we're analyzing USD pairs and JPY pairs. Nothing less, nothing more. USD pairs and JPY pairs. But right now, USD JPY has three resistance zone indication. So I don't know if it breaks this line, I'm cool. I'm okay. So let's just check if we'll see any other USD or JPY pairs that needs adjusting. So let's just check though. USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY. Okay, and then the JPY is down here. That was the one we're trying to move. That's stock on stock. Okay, USD JPY. I think that's all. So let's salute all of them, all the JPY and USD pairs. So USD is first. All of USD is first. Then let's just do our usual horizontal line here. There's a lot of pairs to analyze, except we just identify the one that's closest and work with our horizontal line. Euro USD, horizontal line. AUD USD. Um, but I'm not going to analyze AUD USD. As in the USD. As in the USD. Still too far. So far. Hmm. The lines. GBP USD. Yeah. I hate change of structures. So let's identify it also out of these two. These ones. USD card. Let's see. Nope, still too far. Well, not that far though, and it's well arranged. USD CHF, not even a chance. USD JPY, this is like the best one so far. USD CHF, it's too far. Euro USD, too far. AED USD, change of structure, no. Change NZD USD, change of structure, no. JP USD, change of structure, no. So I think I'll talk to for the USD pairs USD JPY, which is this one, and USD card. I'm very, very comfortable with USD card if you ask me. Now for JPY 3, let's see. Oh goodness, USD JPY is on the top. Change of structure. This is bullish, this is bullish, this is bullish. Let's just put our line because this is a very, very well validated line. JPY broke it. In fact, I think JPY has played out, if you ask me. Okay, did not get there, so we need to look for something higher. But wait, let's just put our line there. But I feel like USD JPY is consolidating. GBP JPY is consolidating. Better, AED JPY is better. Are we working with a bearish trend or a bullish? And this bullish, this is, I don't even know what this is. Bullish, let's put it as bullish. This is change of structure, no. And I don't like that change of structure. I think JPY trades, most of them are just change of structure. Change of structure, all of them. But why I prefer AED JPY out of all of them is because it's changed. Okay, there's another one. Okay, this is one. Euro JPY, I think is the second one. We'll need to identify which is better on the higher time frame. Let's check GBP JPY. Nope, that's already broken that. Catch JPY. It's too far. And then the JPY. Broken it. CHF JPY. CHF JPY. It's not even, it has not even gotten there. But we can put it as now one of the top three on this. Then we'll do the usual, move to higher time frame and analyze it on the higher time frame. So 15 minutes time frame, bullish, clean bullish. Euro JPY. No. Euro JPY, no. CHF JPY. No, it's just consolidating. So AED JPY takes the win. So these are our top three we're analyzing. So let's go to 5 minutes as usual. Now let's validate those horizontal lines. But you know the usual, put our long position here, then put in our peep 550, 200. Okay. So yeah, here's JPY. I feel like the long position is too close, but at the same time, I feel like we need to adjust it. Okay, so what's going to happen? We'll put our horizontal here, and remember, we're looking for something higher on both the TP and the SL. Then we're looking for the exact point on entry. That's what we're looking for also. And delete this, obviously. Entry. Entry. SL. Oh goodness, I always let it go. Then TP. Okay, now we'll set up our TP entry and SL. Time to validate all three of those lines. So let's reset it, shrink it down, and go back in time. On the 5 minutes, the battery is very low. I'm not sure it's going to be able to. We need to hasten up on everything this time. Okay. So far, 15 minutes, nothing. Oh goodness. I just hope my mouse does not misbehave again. Only 15 minutes. Okay, 1 hour time. Only 1 hour. I think we're supposed to close this way to be easier. Okay. Nothing so far. I'll be glad if, well, we already analyzed the JPY once, and definitely it crosses through the market somewhere. Okay, so take profit has been acknowledged, entry has been acknowledged here, TP has been acknowledged here, and it's a little higher if you ask me. But stop loss, nothing so far. So let's go to the 4 hours. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. TP acknowledged here, acknowledged here. Entry acknowledged here. Stop loss not yet acknowledged. Stop loss not yet acknowledged. SL is not yet acknowledged. Let's see, nothing. So let's go to daily. Let's fly through the whole charts because the time is not on our side. Time is not on our side. Did I delete all the alerts? I didn't. I literally didn't. No wonder. Let me delete all of them now. Okay. Then go back to the pairs. Go back to USD JPY. Wait. USD JPY. Oh. Then now we're back to the daily. Now, shrink it and let's go. Daily time frame. Daily time frame. I think it weaved out. So those are stop loss are not well acknowledged if you ask me, and I'm not comfortable with that. So I feel like the only way for us to acknowledge stop loss is going to be whatever plays out here. So USDJPY is done for. We'll go to put our alerts here so that in case the market, if it gives us an entry, we'll be ready for the entry. So let's add an alert here. But I'm really hoping I don't see an alert on USDJPY. Why? Because I hope to place two trades today. One on USD, one on JPY. If I place a trade on USJPY, it defeats the whole idea. It literally defeats the whole idea. Possible buy on the message, possible buy as well. Possible buy, save up. So the alert has been placed on the entry. Let's go to USD card, the second analysis. We might go through everything. That is okay. Obviously, we've not put our long position here. Long position. Put up our PIP for TP 550, SL 200. Okay. Okay. Let's adjust it. Is it me or almost of the USD pairs are like really volatile because I'm not expecting this kind of results from them. Okay, SL is somewhere here, and our TP is somewhere here. Remember, we're looking for something higher on both of them, but we're looking for an exact entry. We saw in the previous one, we did not see anything on SL, so I don't know. We'll just is what plays out that we'll work with. So 5 minutes, let's see. USD card. Let's go through. 5 minutes, nothing. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, it came through here. So this is a valid take profit. Take profit. Nothing on entry or stop loss. Two take profit so far. Okay, three. Make it three. Okay, we'll see more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So good. Good analysis on TP. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this is not 13. 13, 4N, 15, 16, blah, blah, blah. Everything's up here. Nothing on entry, no stop loss. At 15 minutes. Take profit here again. Okay, we've seen stop loss. We've seen SL for, but I'm not comfortable with this SL. I prefer a better one. But it's maybe up somewhere here. But yeah, an SL, take profit, but nothing on entries. Nothing on entry. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. Entry slightly acknowledged here, but not too well. Let's keep going. On the 1 hour time frame, something is, I think I adjusted something. I thought as much. So take profit, take profit. Stop loss acknowledged here. Entry finally acknowledged. Stop loss acknowledged here as well. Stop loss acknowledged here. TP slightly acknowledged take profit. Let's keep going back. What's going on down network? Okay. Okay, nothing. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. Okay. Take profit acknowledged here, 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 and here. Nothing on entry or stop loss all over here. Nothing here too. So let's keep going. We're looking forward to an entry acknowledgement right now. We're looking forward to an entry acknowledgement. We can see an entry acknowledgement. We're cool. I don't know. Can't see anything on entry. I'm trying to know. Let me zoom in on that. I think there's enough time on us. Let me zoom in on that. Well, I think we'll see something on entry here, if I'm not mistaken. Let me zoom in more. So stop loss here. Entry slightly acknowledged, slightly. Okay, yes, well acknowledged here. well acknowledged there. Um, Stop loss here. Entry slightly acknowledged. Take profit well, and well acknowledged. Oh, this is beautiful acknowledgement. So entry has been acknowledged decently enough. So let's just shrink everything back and go to the next pair. Wait, let's just check if there's any other analysis. Okay, I think take profit and it's way back in history. This is a very valid take profit acknowledgement. It's way back in history. Okay, nah, it didn't validate it. What this did, one, two, three, take profit acknowledgements. Nothing on entry or stop loss here. So maybe entry here, this candle entry. But apart from that, nothing else. Let's shrink it back. I think that's all. So let's go to the last pair. Okay, we did not put our alerts. Put 5 minutes. Go to 5 minutes. Um, 5 minutes time frame. Wait, we should target TP, 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 entry, entry, and stop loss, stop loss. Then let's put our alerts of possible buy. Load. Okay. Message possible buy. Add under the message possible buy. Oh goodness. Save up. Let's adjust it higher. USD card done. So I think AGPY. I'm really hoping USDJPY don't give me an entry. I really hope I don't see an entry on USDJPY, because if it does that, it defeats the whole purpose of placing up two trades today. And obviously, the new development due to recent events is that we will no longer break and will no longer end observation of our analysis by 5 as usual. We'll have to run it through the whole day, because we can find our entry anytime, either in London session, Sydney session, Tokyo session, any of the sessions. So let's just GPY trade is definitely supposed to play out ADGPY. Well, we need to validate this line as usual. And apart from validating line, pick up our SL and take profit. So we'll pick up a long position here, a long position here. TP 550. SL 200. Okay. Let's put our line somewhere here. Okay. Then TP will be up here. Remember, we're looking forward to higher acknowledgement on TP, higher on SL, but exactly on the points for entry. So let me just name it as well. But I feel like naming is going to hinder a lot. So afterward, we'll name it. And let's go back in time. Oh no, let's reset, shrink, reset, shrink, and let's go back in time for 5 minutes. Oh goodness, I hope there's no network issue. Oh goodness, load up. Okay, nothing so far. Let's keep loading. What's with the whole delay? Why is it delaying for its load? I hate network issues with passion. Oh goodness. Come on. Okay, nothing on 5 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Load up. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful trend, but nothing so far. Let's go back. Let's go back. Wow, the trend is very nice. I'm so comfortable with the trend. 1 hour, obviously. 1 hour. Wow, this is a beautiful bullish trend. Very beautiful bullish trend. gorgeous. It's amazing. But we're still not seeing any entry. Okay, 4 hour time frame. It's been long I had a no restriction trade. Okay, definitely guys gotta be restrictions. Okay, we've seen something that broke through on the 4 hour. I think take profit acknowledged, but stop loss and entry. Let's just zoom in on it since we're on the 4 hour and actually the last pair we're analyzing. So let's zoom in on it. Okay, so TP acknowledged here, TP acknowledged here, here. Lots of take profit acknowledgement. Nothing on stop loss and entry here. Entry acknowledged 1, 2, 3 times. And remember, this is the 4 hour time frame. So 1, 2, 3 times stop loss acknowledged once, entry slightly acknowledged here, slightly acknowledged here as well for entry. So I think entry is well acknowledged. We need the acknowledgement we're looking forward to now is the stop loss and take profit acknowledgement. So let's zoom out and go back in time. Mm, daily time frame. Daily time frame. Let's see. Well, 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 this is the only thing we have on daily. And I think we're seeing good take profit acknowledgements and it's way higher. I like when my take profits acknowledgements are very high. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 take profit acknowledgements. Entry, not so much. Stop loss acknowledged here. Stop loss acknowledged here, here. Nah, not acknowledged. Stop loss acknowledged here as well. So take profit will be well acknowledged, stop loss will be well acknowledged, and shares well acknowledged. So let's just put our alert on this there. Reset it. Obviously, put up our alert somewhere here. Possible buy, obviously. Um, as it's being shown, possible buy. Even here, possible buy. Okay, save up. Now let's name this SL. SL. Then, oh goodness, entry. Entry. And TP. So we made our analysis for all three pairs. We put our alerts information here so that whenever the market is going our way, we'll be informed. And I think that's all for now. So you guys should obviously watch up the markets. Put up your alert is already there. Don't put off your data because if you put off your data, you will not be informed. For me, what I personally like to do is that when I obviously the strategy is going to play out after 30 minutes. So for your entry to be found, you have to wait 30 minutes. And that is if it has broken here. If it breaks here 5 minutes, candle opens and closes above 5 minutes, that's 10 minutes. Breaks back down 5 minutes, that is 15 minutes. Candle open and close below 5 minutes, that is still in 20 minutes. Then break back up 5 minutes, that's 25 minutes. Then entry candle 5 minutes, that's 30 minutes. So most times I just put off my data, put up my alarm 30 minutes after my analysis. If I come back after 30 minutes and it has not even broken, I will still put another 30 minutes extra and keep going on. So I don't need to be my data to be on all the time. But if I'm using my data or I'm doing something else with my data, then I don't see any point of putting the alert or the alarm. So I just let it be. So obviously, once you went up on data, you just need to do like I said and put up your alarms. It helps a lot. That is all for today's class. You guys should like stay tuned. I'll obviously update you guys if anything new comes up. And stay cool. Hopefully, hopefully our trade comes up. See, out of everything, right? The only thing I'm praying for right now, right, is so that oh goodness, oh goodness, oh goodness. Okay. The only thing I'm praying for right now is that USD JPY pair does not play out. I don't know why. I just don't want. I don't want USD JPY pair to play out. I prefer if USD card, right, and AUD JPY both of them play out, so we can place two trades and put ourselves ahead of the journey. But I think that's all for now. And you guys should obviously check up your trades, stay tuned, all of that. Yeah. So if there's any question, you can always send me a message and all of that.